I'm operating a flight to Kathmandu. Tingnan natin kung ilan ang passenger load for today. Mas gusto ko yung layout, yung cabin interior ng Airbus 320 or 321. It is going to be really challenging today. Grabe, medyo puno nga siya. Well, hindi ako nagsasalita ng tapos, but at the moment, back to 9 to 5 job ako. Today I woke up very early at medyo maayos naman yung weather today. Ayan, medyo clear yung sky kumpara nung mga nakaraang araw na sobrang foggy. Hopefully hindi siya foggy tomorrow. Well, anyway, yung flight ko today hindi naman siya affected kung magiging foggy. I will have to check in at 12 at matatapos kami before midnight. Kaya okay lang. Yeah, I feel so happy waking up early today. What I did was I went out, I walked a few kilometers just to burn some calories. Kasi kahapon I met a friend and then we just had Filipino food in a nearby mall here. We visited this place called Salvis. I had halo-halo and she had kare-kare and I had beef tapa, which I'm sorry but I'm not a fan of. Iba yung mga beef tapa na nakukuha na, or nabibili dyan sa Philippines, eh. Medyo maninipis tapos malambot talaga yung meat. Dito kasi para siyang medyo malalaki yung cut tapos may pagka stroganoff-ish yung meat kaya hindi ko siya naubos. But I love the empanada. We love the okoy. Definitely uulit pa kami sa okoy. Ayun, that's the update from me for this week. I finished my training. I got my uniform allocation and I am flying for today after 9 days of being on ground. So for today's flight to Kathmandu, we have 8 business class passengers and 154 economy passengers. For today's flight, I am going to brief you with some information that we take every flight. So for today, we are operating, of course, 737 lang naman yung aircraft ng company. Kaya maliit but very efficient. Pero favorite ko pa rin yung 320 to be honest. Mas gusto ko yung layout, yung cabin interior ng Airbus 320 or 321 kesa sa 737 MAX 8 or MAX 9. Ang liit kasi ng space, halos wala kaming lugar. Every time na kikilos kami sa galley or sa cabin, wala masyado. Ayun yung mga feedback na nakukuha namin sa mga flyers like you guys, na medyo makipot at makitid yung mga legroom space. It is going to be really challenging today in terms of boarding. Full house talaga. 2 seats lang available sa economy. But in J class, I think there's 2 if I'm not mistaken. Grabe, medyo puno nga siya. So, yung senior for this flight, I haven't flown with her. Tsaka yung mga crew, hindi ko rin sila kilala. One of the good things about flying is that every flight you do, hindi mo kilala yung mga kasama mo. For some people, ayaw nila ng ganon dahil mas gusto nila yung kaklose nila yung mga nakakalipad nila. But I personally prefer na hindi ko kakilala yung mga katrabaho ko every time na nasa flight ako. Kasi parang you learn from other people. It's like you don't know them. They don't know you. So parang yung patas lang. At I don't know, I can't explain. Kasi every time na iisipin ko kung I can still work outside aviation, like a 9 to 5 job, na makakasama mo yung mga colleagues mo every day, parang ang hirap na siyang ma-imagine because I've been doing this for many years. Kaya parang ngayon hindi ko siya ma-explain kung ano yung magiging pakiramdam ko kung mag back to 9 to 5 job ako. Well, hindi ako nagsasalita ng tapos, but at the moment, hindi ko pa makita yung sarili ko na mag-ground job ako. So, let's get ready. Tapos na. Diba? Ang bilis. Ano masasabi niyo sa quality ng uniform? Especially male uniform. Tapos na ako magplancha ngayon. I am going to get ready. I still have 2 hours left bago ako umalis dito sa flat. And I hope that this is going to be a nice flight for us. Magbubook na lang ako ng taxi papunta ng office. At by the way, I forgot to tell you earlier that every flight, hindi pa sigurado na makakasama ka sa flight na naka-roster sa'yo. May mga briefing questions ka na dapat sagutin about safety and security, whatever, the procedures. And another one is for first aid. And it doesn't mean na present ka today, makakasama ka sa flight. May mga chances na minsan hindi ka makakasagot sa mga tinatanong sa iyo ng senior, at kapag hindi mo siya nasagot, ma-offload ka sa flight. Ang worst is ipapadala ka for training. Kaya every flight, importante na magbasa kahit konti. Kaya bibigyan ko ng time yung sarili ko na magbasa dahil 9 days ako hindi lumipad. Bye! Oh no. Andiyan na yung taxi at kailangan ko na mag-report sa office, at pagbalik ko mamaya, I will be back with more updates about the flight. As if interested kayo. Bye-bye! It's been replaced. I've got a new one.
A few years later.